Now, let's talk about their maintenance. So, yung maintenance na mayroon yung BAW si MAS, no, is the only one that have this access is the super admin. Ayun. So, meron silang maintenance center na through the access in this module are also the admin, but let us be reminded to prevent authorization configuration centered or changes. Sa maintenance po, napansin po namin na hindi pa siya gano'n talaga ka-firm. But ayun nga, since hindi pa naman talaga nalalagyan ng mga files or talagang ginagamit na yung system, mas may improve pa nila 'to, I know, with the team of them na talagang kaya nila 'tong, ah, palawigin pa. And of course, yung maintenance na mayroon sila ngayon is yung risk nun na talagang magkakaroon tayo ng misconfiguration or yung mga critical settings nga na pagpapalit without proper caution. Yung mga personal information, editable siya. So, kailangan natin maging talagang yung taong makakapasok sa maintenance module is talagang dapat is the super admin itself lang. And our recommendation for that, yun din nga sa problem na to, is to restrict talagang pagkaingatan natin yung maintenance changes natin so that the updates are essentials and we can keep the changes of the logs for all configuration. So, ayun lamang po. Thank you so much.